Hi, I have multiple questions about this lesson. It is Programming 102-2.5 color match. So we will start, we only have broadcast and wait. So I will start with purple because the ship will go and take the purples first. But at first I need to change the color of the ship to the purple. So it will broadcast purple first. And then it needs to go 2 times. It needs to go forward for 2 times to take the purples. After that, it will turn to the left. So we will broadcast left and wait. And then there are blue ones in there. So I will make it blue. And then it needs to go forward again 2 times. After that, it needs to turn to the right. We will say to turn right first, but it needs to change its color again to the yellow. So I will choose yellow, and then it will go forward twice again. So broadcast forward and forward. So we start, and we need to click on him. Purple ones, blue ones, and yellow ones. Good luck.